Hi, I'm Kristin Omdahl, and welcome back to my studio. Today, we're going to make something. Join me for the next tutorial starting right now. Follow the link in the video description to watch the video tutorial part 1, where you can learn how to make this top-down increasing shawl pattern. In this video part 2, I'm going to show you how to crochet the edging. And I'm going to do it in a different color just so you can see what I'm doing better. So we'll start by joining with a slip stitch. If you were doing this all in one color, you would just continue on without fastening off, so you wouldn't need the slip stitch. And then it would be a chain 1 and single crochet in that first single crochet. Chain 14, and slip stitch in the 4th chain from your hook to form a ring. Chain 3. Now we're going to work in that chain 4 ring with a double crochet, chain 3, and slip stitch in the ring. And we'll do that 4 more times. Chain 3, double crochet, chain 3, and slip stitch. Okay, and we'll do it 3 more times now for a total of 5 petals. And you want to make sure that this chain is not twisted. If it's twisted in the process, you want to untwist it. Then we're going to chain 5, skip 5 chains, and slip stitch in the next chain. Chain 5, and single crochet in the next single crochet. Okay, I'm going to set my work down now so you can see what we did. So let's go over this again. We did a chain 14, slip stitch in the 4th chain from your hook to form a ring. Then it was chain 3 double, chain 3 slip stitch in the ring 5 times, chain 5, skip 5 chains, slip stitch in the next chain, chain 5, and single crochet in the next single crochet. I'm going to show you that one more time. And there's another repeat of our flower fringe edging. Now, if you wanted to do the flowers in a different color from the chains, let me show you how we do that as well. You would start with a chain 14. And slip stitch to the 4th chain from your hook to form the ring. Chain 5, skip 5 chains, slip stitch in the next chain, chain 5, and single crochet in the next single crochet. So now with this one, we have the chain 4 space to work our flower, but we could go in with any color yarn now and then join with a slip stitch and work chain 3 double, chain 3 slip stitch 5 times in the ring to create our 5 petals and fasten off. So let me show you how to do that now. Okay, so we've got a new color yarn. We're going to slip stitch into the chain 5 space. We're going to slip stitch into the chain 4 space, chain 3, double crochet, chain 3, and slip stitch in the ring. And you want to repeat that 4 more times for a total of 5 petals. And then fasten off. Make sure you follow the link in the video description to download the pattern with all of the charts. And you can also find a link to the video in the video description to watch the first video tutorial where you can learn how to make the top-down increasing shawl as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, please feel welcome to leave them for me in the comments. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.